Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where mastering English is simple, fun, and effective. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hey everyone, it's amazing to have you here today.
Paul, you're absolutely glowing today. What's got you so energized?
Well, I just had the most incredible breakfast. Scrambled eggs, crispy toast, and honestly, the biggest cup of coffee you've ever seen. I'm basically buzzing right now.
That explains the energy. You know what? I'm feeling pretty fantastic myself. The sun's streaming through my window, and there's just something about sunshine that makes everything feel possible?
I totally get that. And speaking of possibilities, Emily, I think today's topic is going to blow our listeners' minds.
Oh, you mean the question we get in almost every single comment?
Exactly. How can I sound more fluent without knowing every word in English?
Yes, and here's the beautiful truth, everyone. You don't need a massive vocabulary to sound amazing. You just need to know the right tricks.
But before we reveal these game-changing secrets, we need a tiny favor from you amazing people.
If you're enjoying this conversation right now, do us a huge solid. Smash that like button. It takes you 2 seconds, but helps us reach thousands more English learners just like you.
And hit subscribe. When you subscribe to English Learning Channel, you'll never miss our weekly tips, tricks, and real conversations that actually help you improve.
Plus, share this with that one friend who's always saying, "My English isn't good enough." Trust me, they'll thank you.
All right, everyone, your support means the world to us. Now, Emily, are you ready to drop some fluency bombs?
Let's do this.
Okay, Emily, real talk. What does fluent actually mean? Because I think a lot of people have the wrong idea.
You're so right, Paul. Most people think fluency means speaking super fast, like an auctioneer or something. I am going to the store because it is sunny because we are going to have fun.
Exactly. But that's not fluent, that's just exhausting.
Right. True fluency isn't about speed. It's about flow, how smoothly your words connect, how natural you sound, how relaxed you feel.
Ooh, I love that. It's like, imagine a river. A river doesn't have to be rushing and violent to be beautiful. It just needs to flow smoothly.
Perfect analogy. And our first secret to that smooth flow? Contractions.
Wait, contractions? Isn't that a grammar term that makes everyone's eyes glaze over?
It sounds technical, but it's actually the simplest thing ever. Contractions are just when we squish two words together. Like, instead of I am, we say I'm.
Oh, so it is becomes it's. You are becomes your.
Exactly. And here's why this is secret number one. This single change will make you sound 10 times more natural instantly.
Really? Just that?
Listen to the difference. I am happy to see you because it is such a beautiful day and we are going to have fun.
Okay, that sounds like a textbook.
Now listen. I'm happy to see you because it's such a beautiful day and we're going to have fun.
Wow, that's like talking to an actual person.
Exactly. In real life, native speakers almost always use contractions. We say I'm, you're, he's, she's, we're, there.
And don't forget the negative ones. Don't, can't, won't, shouldn't.
Yes, so instead of I do not like cold weather, you say,
I don't like cold weather. That flows so much better.
the magic is in the connection. When you use contractions, your sentences don't sound like separate words anymore. They sound like music.
So everyone listening, starting right now, practice this. When you're thinking in English, use I'm instead of I am. Use it's instead of it is. Your brain will do it automatically.
All right, secret number two. Paul, have you noticed how beginners often speak in really short bursts?
Oh yes, like choppy. I went to the store. I bought milk. I came home. I made coffee.
Exactly. It's like information delivered by telegram.
Right? But fluent speakers connect those ideas together using linking words.
So instead of four separate sentences, you'd say, I went to the store and bought milk, so I came home and made coffee.
Boom. Suddenly, it's one smooth thought instead of four choppy pieces.
The magic words here are and, but, so, because, and although.
These are like bridges between your ideas. I wanted to go outside, but it started raining.
Or, I'm learning English because I want to travel the world.
See how because lets you add depth? It's not just what you did, it's why you did it.
And although is great for showing contrast. Although I was tired, I finished my homework.
That makes you sound thoughtful and articulate. So, listeners, start connecting your sentences. Don't just list facts, build bridges between them.
Okay, Paul, I have a confession to make.
Ooh, I love confessions. What is it?
My English teacher used to get so annoyed at me for saying and like and you know.
Oh, I remember that. Stop saying they'd tell us.
But here's the controversial truth. In real conversations, filler words are actually your secret weapon.
Wait, really? You mean like, well, actually, let me think?
Exactly. These words are called fillers because they fill the space while your brain searches for the right word.
I never thought of it that way.
Think about it. If someone asks you, "What's your favorite movie?" and you just go silent for 10 seconds,
That's super awkward.
right. But if you say, "Ooh, well, let me see. Actually, I think it's Inception. That movie blew my mind."
Oh, the well and let me see make it sound like you're thinking in English, not translating from your native language.
Exactly. It shows you're processing, not struggling, and it makes the conversation feel natural.
So, what are the best filler words to use?
Well, actually, you know, I mean, let me think. Honestly.
You know is interesting because it's like inviting the other person to agree with you. It's a beautiful day, you know?
Yes, and actually is perfect for adding information. Actually, I don't like pizza that much. I prefer pasta.
So, listeners, don't be afraid of these little words. They make you sound confident and natural, like you're comfortable thinking in English.
Okay, this next secret is going to free so many people. Paul, what do you think is the biggest mistake English learners make?
Trying to be perfect?
Yes, oh my goodness, yes. People get so paralyzed by the fear of making mistakes that they just stop talking.
I've been there. When I first started my job, I would rehearse every sentence in my head before speaking. It was exhausting.
But here's the truth bomb. Native speakers make mistakes all the time.
We really do. I literally said, I seen that movie yesterday instead of I've seen that movie.
Exactly. And did the world end? Did people stop understanding you?
Nope. The conversation just kept flowing.
That's the secret. Fluency isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. It's like that river we talked about earlier. If the river stops every time it hits a rock, it's not a river anymore, it's just a puddle.
That's such a good image.
So if you say, he go to the store instead of he goes, don't stop, don't backtrack, just keep swimming.
The listener still understands you perfectly, and if you keep the energy going, they won't even notice the small grammar mistake.
Confidence is 80% of sounding fluent. If you speak with a smile, make eye contact, and keep the conversation moving, people will be impressed, not critical.
So everyone repeat after me. Mistakes are proof that I'm trying.
Beautiful. Mistakes mean you're brave enough to use the language. That's something to be proud of.
All right, Emily, last secret. This one is probably the most powerful, but also the trickiest.
Ooh, I think I know what you're going to say. Rhythm.
Yes, English has a rhythm, almost like music. And when you match that rhythm, you suddenly sound native.
This is so true. English isn't flat. We don't say every word with the same stress. Listen, I want to go to the store.
That sounds like a robot.
Now listen, I want to go to the store.
Oh, you emphasized go and store, the important words.
Exactly. In English, we stress the words that carry meaning, usually nouns and verbs. We kind of glide over the little words like to, the,
So it becomes musical. I'm happy to see you.
Perfect. And the second part of this secret is linking. This is where words start to blend together.
Like pick it up becomes pick it up.
Yes, or check it out sounds like check it out.
Ooh, or an apple becomes an apple.
Exactly. When a word ends in a consonant and the next word starts with a vowel, native speakers link them together.
This is what makes English sound fast even when we're not speaking fast.
Right. It's not about speed, it's about connection. So, listeners, practice this. Find a phrase you love from a movie or song and repeat it. Copy the rhythm, copy the linking.
My favorite practice phrase is what's up? It's actually what's up.
Perfect. Or I don't know becomes I don't know.
The more you listen and copy, the more these connections become natural.
You know what, Paul? I think we should actually demonstrate all 5 secrets in one conversation. Let our listeners hear it all together.
Great idea. Let's pretend we're meeting at a coffee shop. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Emily, how's it going?
Well, actually, I'm a bit tired today, but honestly, I'm super happy to see you. How about you?
I'm doing great. I just had this amazing coffee, so I'm basically bouncing off the walls right now. Want to grab a cookie or something?
Ooh, a cookie sounds good, but I probably shouldn't. You know what? Actually, let's do it. Life's too short, and I love chocolate chip cookies.
Perfect. Let's check it out.